Thanks. This is Camaros. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Very nice. There you have it. But where are you going? Oh, okay. Look, he puts the top down, the price goes up. He's about to make the price go up. Look at this. Top goes down, the price goes up.
A lot of work to get that down. You got to, you know how you keep from replacing the top? Straighten it up, you know?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Otherwise, it gets some certain wrinkles that's not good.
Yeah, and then it rips.
Yep. That's beautiful. What year?
83.
How many miles?
33,000.
No kidding.
Needs cleaned up.
Absolutely beautiful, though.
Needs cleaning. It needs a wash job. I didn't have time.
You look on YouTube, you'll find this car. This looks like a Bizarro. No Bizarro?
No.
Okay. You kind of look like them. How you been, man?
Good, how you doing?
You know, can't call it.
No, you got a little late. We got to good sit in the sun once in a while.
What year, 72?
3.
3? How long you had it?
About last October.
Nice. Right here locally?
No, near Bradford. 32,000 original miles.
Nice. 32,000 original miles. Very nice.
She sat in the garage its whole life.
No kidding. Very nice. The rally dash, everything. Very nice. This is a caddy. Look at that. It's all good. How you kids doing?
Good.
Good.
Got away from them.
You like it with the chrome though? Now compared to?
Yeah.
They got pops. You like it with the chrome better on the bumpers? Look. Remember they were black?
Yeah.
What do you like better? Yeah, absolutely. Where's your camera so you can get a couple vids?
Mine?
You didn't bring it?
No, it's dead.
What? That's not like you. Have a dead phone. That's not like you. You can't keep in touch with technology that way. All right, see you in a little while. See, he shot it because we ain't there. Wow. Very nice.
That's cool.
That is cool. Holy cow. Now who invented that? You? Holy cow.
It's well real woody right there, huh?
Absolutely.